On May 21st, 2024, something big happened. Anthropic released a study called Mapping the Mind of a Large Language Model and a paper titled Scaling Monosemanticity, Extracting Interpretable Features from Claude 3 Sonnet. This research breaks down the complex workings of artificial intelligence, giving us a clear view inside the black box. This breakthrough could revolutionize many fields, including the design industry. But it also raises some serious questions and challenges. Let's zero in on one specific aspect: how this new technology could shake up our entire industry and potentially threaten traditional design methods. True professionals always aim to create user-friendly, clear, and intuitive interfaces. This technology not only improves the quality of interfaces, but also makes them adapt to users' needs in real time. However, it also brings up significant risks and ethical questions. While no one has yet created a closed feedback loop system, researchers from Anthropic have shown how it could be possible. They've developed methods to interpret signals from neural networks, suggesting how we might build such a system in the future. Imagine a system that can analyze user behavior instantly and make real-time changes to the interface. This theoretical system would use two neural networks, one to analyze user actions and identify problems, and the other to decide on and implement necessary interface changes. How it would work. One, user analysis. The first neural network would track every user interaction with the interface, noting difficulties and errors. It would pinpoint where users struggle, whether it's with complex navigation or unclear instructions. Two, data processing. The system would process the collected data and pass it to the second neural network. Three, improvement suggestions. Based on the data, the second network would suggest changes to solve the identified problems. It might recommend rearranging elements, simplifying navigation, or changing the visual design for better clarity. Four, instant implementation. These changes would be implemented immediately, giving the user an improved interface in real time. Five, re-evaluation. The first neural network would then re-evaluate user interaction to see if the changes were effective, repeating the cycle until the interface is optimized. Why this was impossible before? Creating such systems wasn't feasible before due to limitations in data analysis and interpretation. Traditional methods took too long for data collection, analysis, and implementing changes. The technologies used in the Anthropic study provide a new theoretical foundation that overcomes these limitations. Ethical aspects and philosophy of discoveries. This study also brings up important ethical and safety issues regarding AI usage. Understanding how AI models work allows us to create safer systems that avoid harmful, biased, or deceptive responses. Threats and potential risks. While this technology offers many benefits, it also poses significant risks. It can create extremely manipulative and deceptive interaction patterns with users, potentially leading to control over user preferences and decisions, which threatens their autonomy and independence. Use cases. E-commerce. In online stores, this system could track where users struggle during the checkout process and instantly simplify the interface. Educational platforms. It could identify which learning materials or interface elements cause difficulties for students and adapt the interface to enhance usability. Banking applications. It could help users quickly find necessary functions and avoid errors when performing financial transactions. This new technology excites and concerns the design community. On the one hand, it opens up new possibilities for creating more convenient and adaptive interfaces. On the other hand, it raises questions about the necessity of human participation in the design process. But the main goal of UX/UI design has always been to create user-friendly interfaces. The closed feedback loop technology helps designers achieve this goal faster and more efficiently. In conclusion, this breakthrough opens incredible prospects for UX/UI designers. Instead of fearing changes, we should see them as opportunities for growth and skill enhancement. With the closed feedback loop system, interfaces become more flexible, adaptive, and user-friendly, which is ultimately the main task of every designer. That's how I prefer to see it, because progress can't be stopped. All we can do is strive to stay at the forefront to avoid being left behind.